If Bhavesh had walked 1 kilometer per hour faster, he would have taken 10 minutes less to walk 2 kilometers. What is Bhavesh's speed of walking? Now, we can have a very simple equation here, that is time when he was walking slow minus time when he was walking 1 kilometer faster is equal to 10 minutes. Now, this 10 minutes we can convert it into hours as well by dividing it by 60. So we have time of slow minus time of fast is equal to 1 by 6. Now, let's assume the slow speed as x. So, the distance traveled in both the cases is 2 kilometers, and the general formula for time is distance upon speed. So, 2 upon x minus 2 upon x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 6. Now, this is our main equation. Now, we have to do it by trial and error. So, you can substitute options. So, if you substitute x as 1, so the equation will become 2 upon 1 minus 2 upon 2. So, this becomes 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1, and which is not equal to 1 by 6. So, therefore, option A is eliminated. Option B, if you substitute x as 2, so it will become 2 by 2 minus 2 by 3 is equal to, we get the answer as 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3, which is again not equal to 1 by 6. So therefore option B is also eliminated. Let's check with option C. So we have here 2 by 3 minus 2 by 4. So we get here 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, which we simplified to 4 minus 3 upon 6, which is equal to 1 by 6. Hence, we can say that the value of x is equal to 3. That means the speed of Bhavesh walking is 3 kilometers per hour.